This is the perfect life. Just chewing on my comfort stick. We've been through so much together. Oh no, I ate it too fast. I'll have to ask for a replacement. But how? My humans are always on that glowing box, then sometimes things arrive by the mailman. Maybe that's where the magic happens. That's more boxes than I expected. Feels more like a place for cats. Looks like I found what I needed. It feels so easy. Okay, now I have two. How do I keep track of them? I guess I better organize them. One is old, the other new. I got both from mom. I keep them in the big room where my green bed is. Hang on, how many beds do I have? All of them in the house are mine, I think. Still, I better match which toys I like at which bed. I better add them all quickly. I now see my balls, sticks, chewing toys, plushy praise and all. And I can filter for what I want to play with if I go over to the bedroom. Really good. Okay, now this is a nice list. But I am a sight hound. I need visuals. Can I turn this into a map or connection graph? Oh yes, I can. Okay, now I love this human tool. What's it called? STAGIL Assets. Nice. Oh, I definitely love this app. Now, I just need to sleep a bit after a work well done.